Hello बच्चों, I hope you are all happy and healthy today. Welcome to this special English hour. Here we will learn a lot of new things and have lots of fun. नमस्ते बच्चों, I hope आप सब स्वस्थ और तंदुरुस्त हैं। आपके इस स्पेशल इंग्लिश आवर में स्वागत है। यहाँ पे हम ढेर सारी नई चीजें सीखेंगे और खूब मस्ती करेंगे। Now, I would like all of us to sing and dance. Please join me in this song. Stand up and come close to your TV screen. अब हम सब एक गाना गाएंगे और नाचेंगे भी। खड़े हो जाइए और आपके टीवी स्क्रीन से थोड़ा नजदीक आ जाइए। Are you ready? Let's go.
Paper boat, sail away. A little here, push a little there. Pitter patter, here it comes. Everywhere we go, let's chop, chop, chop. Little red umbrella, don't fly away. Whoosh, no, no. Whoosh, no, no. Pitter patter, here it comes. Everywhere we go, let's chop, chop, chop. Pretty little rainbow, will you dance with me? Whoosh, a spin. Whoosh, a twirl. Pitter patter, here it comes. Everywhere we go, let's chop, chop, chop.
I hope you enjoyed singing and dancing with me today. Let us learn some new words today. You will find these words in the story I read out to you. So please listen to them carefully and make a note of these words. Our first word is ready. 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 The kids were ready to go to school. Dinner will be ready at 6 o'clock. Our second word is gently. 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 A hand pushed her forward gently. She pushed the door gently. Our third word is hard. 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 I am working very hard for my exams. He slept on a hard bed. Our fourth word is loudly. 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 He called loudly to the sailors and the captain. She shouted loudly for the ice cream. Our fifth word is softly. 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 The door closed behind him softly. Mother touched my forehead softly. Our sixth word is slowly. 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 She went back to the kitchen slowly. He was slowly moving forward. Our last word is quickly. 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 She dressed and quickly ran downstairs. She stepped in quickly and shut the door. Now, I would like to read the chapter to you where you will find these words. Please open your English textbook to page number 36. I will read out this chapter to you. Place your finger on the word that I am reading. If you don't have a textbook, listen to me carefully. अब हमने जो नए शब्द सीखे वो हम इस चैप्टर में देखेंगे. आपकी इंग्लिश टेक्स्ट बुक का पेज नंबर 36 खोलिए. इसमें आपको आपकी उंगली उन शब्दों पे रखनी है जो मैं पढ़ रही हूँ. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है तो आप गौर से सुनिए. Put your book in your bag. Put your notebook in your bag. Put your pen and pencil away. Take your things out of your school bag. Now, put them away again in 30 seconds. Ready? Start. Tuck, 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 tuck. Stop. Your time is up. Here, the teacher is asking the students to do a lot of things. She is asking them to take out their notebooks, pencils and pens. Then she again asks them to put it again inside. But she asks to do all of this very quickly. यहाँ पे टीचर अपने बच्चों को सारी चीजें बैग से बाहर निकालने और वापस अंदर डालने कहती है, लेकिन वो उन सब बच्चों को बहुत जल्दी करने के लिए कहती है. Gently. Join your hands. Press them together. Press hard. Press gently. Gently, hard. Here, the boy is telling us to press our hands. He tells us to press it hard and then press it gently. लड़का हमें हमारे दोनों हाथ पहले जोर से दबाने के लिए कहता है और फिर धीरे से. Loudly. Start speaking. Speak loudly. Louder, please. Speak softly. Very softly. Here, the girl is telling us to speak loudly and then softly. Can you try it? लड़की हमें कह रही है पहले जोर से बोलने के लिए और फिर धीरे से. Loudly, softly, quickly. Stand up quickly. Sit down quickly. Stand up slowly. Sit down slowly. Quickly, slowly. Here, the boy is asking us to stand up and sit down quickly and then slowly. Let's do it. Sit down quickly. Stand up slowly. यहाँ हमें ये लड़का जल्दी से बैठने के लिए कहता है और फिर धीरे धीरे खड़े होने के लिए कहता है. Quickly, slowly. Run on the spot. Run fast. Faster. Run slowly. Very slowly. Fast. Slowly. Here, the girl is asking us to run fast and then run slowly. यहाँ हमें लड़की बहुत फास्ट भागने के लिए कहती है और फिर वो धीरे से भागने के लिए कहती है. Wasn't it an interesting chapter? Everyone is asking us to do very different things. Loudly, then slowly. Quickly, then again slowly. And the teacher is also asking us to do a lot of different things. इस चैप्टर में हमें बहुत सारी अलग अलग चीजें करने के लिए कहते हैं, अलग अलग तरीकों से भी. I hope you were able to find the words that we learnt earlier. Now it's time for an activity. Today we will learn words that sound similar. For example, bag, tag. Do they sound similar? Bag tag. Yes. Like this, we will learn a few new words. Let's look at them. Let, net, get, set. Don't they all sound similar? क्या इन सब का आवाज सेम नहीं है? Let's look at the next circle. Gate, late, date. Okay, next. Cake, take, make. Great! Isn't this fun? Look at the next circle. Backpack, quack. Don't they sound similar? Try it again. Backpack, quack. Great! Let's look at the next one. Car, jar, far. Car, jar, far. Car, jar, far. These words sound similar. Let's look at the next circle. Jeep, keep, sheep. Jeep, keep, sheep. Okay, what about the next one? Kick, pick, sick. Or pick, sick, kick. Or sick, kick, pick. Don't they all sound similar? Let's look at the next one. Sing, ring, thing. Sing, ring, thing. इन शब्दों की आवाज सिमिलर नहीं है? ओके. Old, hold, gold. Old, hold, gold. Great. Let's look at the next one. Boat, coat, goat. Boat, coat and goat. And do you want to look at the last circle? Try to say it a little faster. Duck, luck, truck. Say it again. Duck, luck, truck. Now let's try this faster. Duck, luck, truck. Great. Weren't these all interesting words? They all sound similar. Now it's time for another activity. Let's play a game now. On the screen, you can see a crossword. Do you see a gap? We have to fill that gap with the right letter. इस स्क्रीन में आपको एक सही अक्षर लिख के ये सीक्वेंस को कंप्लीट करना है. Let's look at an example. What do you see here? Yes, she is a queen. And what is that over there? Yes, it's a Q. So the letter that you fill over here is a Q. Great. Now look at the second image and you try to fill it. उसी तरीके से इस चित्र में आपको उस खाली जगह पे अक्षर लिखना है. कोशिश करेंगे? Great! Let's see if you got it right. This image is of a girl. And that is a goat. The common letter is G. Therefore, I hope you filled the right letter. It is G. Very good, students. Now, it's time for you to sit back and relax while I tell you a wonderful story. Children, has it ever happened to you that your motorbike just doesn't start? क्या आपके साथ कभी हुआ है कि आपकी गाड़ी और बाइक चालू ही नहीं हुए? I remember a lot of times my bike hasn't started. Sometimes it stopped even in the middle of the road. मेरी बाइक भी बहुत बार शुरू नहीं होती है और कभी-कभी रास्ते के बीच में ही बंद हो जाती है. This is a story of Miss Laya. Even her motorbike doesn't start at times. Do you want to know why? Let's find out. The name of this story is Miss Laya's fantastic motorbike does not like fruits. It is written by Mala Kumar. Game class is over in Big Tree School. Miss Laya, the games teacher, has to help Chandra this week. स्कूल में गेम क्लास खत्म हो गया. उनकी गेम्स की टीचर मिस लाया जो है, उनको इस हफ्ते चंद्रा को मदद करना है. Chandra grows vegetables and fruits on her farm. She also grows marigold and roses. She has to take them to the market. But her scooter is broken. Chandra अपने खेत में अलग-अलग तरीके के फल, फूल और सब्जी उगाती है. आज उसको वो मार्केट लेके जाना है, पर उसका स्कूटर टूटा हुआ है. On Monday, Chandra has 2 packs of roses that she puts in the motorbike. Her son Anil jumps up and down. Her daughter Ranju starts clapping. Chandra starts the countdown. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drrrr! There goes the motorbike to the market. उस दिन मंडे को चंद्रा ने रोजेस रखे अपने मोटरबाइक में. उसका लड़का खुशी से उछल रहा था और लड़की क्लैप कर रही थी. चंद्रा ने काउंटडाउन दिया और झट से बाइक शुरू हो गई. The fantastic motorbike loves the smell of roses. बाइक को रोजेस का सुगंध बहुत अच्छा लगा. On Friday, Chandra loaded a heavy bag. Eeks! Something pinched me, Miss Laya says. Who is poking me? Are there crabs in the sack? The fantastic motorbike wants to say. शुक्रवार के दिन चंद्रा ने एक बड़ा सैक रखा। मिस लाया को कुछ ना कुछ चुभने लगा। वो बाइक भी कहना चाहता था कि क्या है इसमें। Oh, Chandra wants to sell pineapples today. They are fresh and nice, but also pokey. I hate pineapples, says the fantastic motorbike. I don't like fruits. But Miss Laya gets a slice of pineapple. She likes it and she places a cloth so that it does not poke her. उनको पता चलता है कि आज चंद्रा को पाइनएप्पल्स बेचने हैं। वो पाइनएप्पल जूसी तो होते हैं बट चुभते भी हैं, तो मोटर बाइक को अब फ्रूट्स ही नहीं पसंद। मिस लाया को चंद्रा एक स्लाइस देती है, इसलिए उनको वो पसंद आते हैं और वो एक कपड़ा रख देती है ताकि उनको वो पाइनएप्पल चुभे ना। Now the pineapples do not poke the fantastic motorbike. Anil again jumps up and down. Ranju is started to clapping. And Chandra gave the countdown again. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there goes the fantastic motorbike driven. Drrrr. Wasn't it an interesting story? How Miss Laya's motorbike does not like the fruits because pineapple is very pokey. But after they laid the cloth, it was not poking. हमने देखा किस तरीके से लाया का मोटर बाइक को फ्रूट्स नहीं पसंद क्योंकि वो पाइनएप्पल उनको चुभ रहा था, लेकिन धीरे धीरे वहां पे कपड़ा रखने के बाद वो नहीं चुभ रहा था और वो दोबारा झट से शुरू हो गया। I hope you all enjoyed the story and you liked today's session. I will see you all in the next session. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.